Hey, good morning. Let's go over today's trade plan. So in the overnight session, we saw that ES simply balanced within a range, and heading into the open, our short-term directional bias is going to be neutral, and we are open to a move in either direction. Holding above 30.5 to 33 is really going to be key for the buyers. This is bigger picture support, and a failure to hold 30.5 to 33 could result in long liquidation and a sustained move lower. Now, in order to get that sustained move below 30.5 to 33, we are going to have to see broad market weakness, sustained downside momentum, and participation from the other markets. So ideally, on the downside, if the market is going to fail at the zone and head lower, then you'd want to see Nasdaq and Russell breaking their recent lows as well. On the other hand, if 30.5 to 33 holds, then we have to understand that this is bigger picture support, and the market can actually reverse and turn around from here, and we can get a bigger upside move as well. So how the market responds to 30.5 to 33 is really going to set the bias and the tone for the day. If the market can hold, and this area is valid support until broken, so if the market holds at 30.5 to 33, then there would still be the possibility of returning back up into the 40.5 high volume node, 41.5 gap, 44.75 to 46.75 initial resistance, and then if we can break out above 44.75 to 46.75, that would be the first signal that now buyers are really regaining control. From there, the next zone is 50.75 to 52.75. If we can take that out, and especially if we take it out with some decent momentum, then it would confirm the buyers in control. From there, we can go up step by step into 59.5 to 61.5, 62.75, and if there is enough volume, then perhaps we can tag the balance area high at 68.5 to 71, but that is a stretch, and that would be a range extreme. So there might not be enough volume or range on the day to get all the way up to 68.5 to 71, but if we can start turning around off of 30.5 to 33, then eventually we can get back up into the 68.5 to 71 zone. And where we end up on the day time frame is going to depend on how much volume and momentum we're really seeing on the day time frame. So a rejection of 30.5 to 33, the first target would be the 40.5 to 41.5 area, and 44.75 to 46.75. That's high probability, but beyond that, if we can get a breakout, 50.75 to 52.75 is very much within range, and even 59.5 to 61.5 is within range, but beyond that, it starts to get a little bit more difficult. So we might just end up balancing in a range rather than just going completely directional to the upside. But just understand that this is larger time frame support, and how the market responds to 30.5 to 33 is really going to set the tone for the day. If it fails over here and we're seeing strong downside momentum, bearish internals, and the other markets breaking too, then it would make sense to even get on board on the short side and then look for a move down into the 25, 27, 19 to 21, and potentially even 12.5 to 15. But like I said, we are going to have to see those trend down type internals in order for that downside scenario to take place. So those are the main ideas heading into the open. Let's keep an eye on 30.5 to 33. That's really going to be key for us this morning, and we'll take it from there.